Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all in the same page on this very, very crucial closure civil justice sign off I'm providing for myself. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, with that said, I just want to continue reading the civil justice sign off without sure that I could keep the session shortest as possible with best of my ability. Victims of abuse, patients, medical, finance, and compensation claims process. In the year summer of 2019 to December 2019, I, Vedapriya Prose, filed lawsuit against at fault and found guilty USA nation for $50,000 trillion. And that is why domestic violent prostitute Democrat Speaker Nancy Pelosi created COVID-19 plague with fatal negligence to enforce pain infliction in my brain nerves. As of February 2021, crime count 1 is at fault prostitute. COVID-19 plague is Democrat Speaker Nancy Pelosi of USA failed in welfare services job and with fatal negligence created COVID-19 plague worldwide and mandated mask worldwide and enforced I, Vedapriya Prose, to wear the mask, and it is deadliest crime of COVID plague Democrat Speaker Nancy Pelosi of USA to enforce I, Vedapriya, to wear the mask as mandate and creating emotional torture in my brain nerves. I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge for civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines, I, Vedapriya Prose, want Democrat Speaker Nancy Pelosi of USA to pay tax-free $500 billion per president times 45 presidents of USA since 17th century will be the total of tax-free 225 comma followed by 50 billion dollars direct deposit to my bank account in next 1 second. And wild endangered species, domestic violent Republica prostitute, absolute monarchs, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and phases of Pope Francis failed in absolute monarch's job, and with deadliest crime of domestic violence, fatal negligence, classified as deadliest venom, poisonous wild endangered species, for created COVID-19 plague and mandated mask to enforce emotional torture, pain infliction on brain nerves of I Vedapriya Prose. So I want wild endangered species, domestic violent, leprosy patient, Republica prostitute, absolute monarchs to sign off tax-free $500,000 trillion per prostitute, absolute monarchs times total absolute monarchs direct deposit or prior transfer to my bank account in next 1 second, and damages to my brain nerves done by prostitute absolute monarchs is classified as a domestic violence with fatal negligence is proved. And Roman province Jesuits Ords of USA in 50 states as of state of Wisconsin, state of Illinois, state of Michigan, state of New York, state of New England, state of Maryland, state of Louisiana, state of Missouri, state of California, state of Oregon must pay separate tax-free $500,000 trillion times 10 states of Jesuits is 500,000 500 comma followed by 4 zeros $1 trillion direct deposit to my bank account. Domestic violent types provided by the Speaker of USA Nancy Pelosi is classified as a breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, and trespass and chattels and types. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, this civil justice must be provided only in front of entire human kingdom and all nations, and that is the ethical humane standards. And I want the civil justice to be signed off according to the Holy Bible guidelines of civil law only. Okay, who is Speaker Nancy Pelosi to enforce mask for me and create emotional damages, right? So yes, Nancy Pelosi must kneel down in front of all the humans, kingdom and entire nations, and then pay me the penalty. Okay, and yes, this is the crime provided by Nancy Pelosi, because Nancy Pelosi of USA, the Speaker of USA, created the COVID-19 plague, and it is a deadliest crime, my dear fellow mankind. And the civil justice must be served now, immediately, without any delay. Okay, thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.